Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Kids Chef set is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your little ones to the joy of cooking, transforming meal preparation into a fun, interactive adventure that fosters creativity and essential life skills right in your own kitchen, making every culinary moment a memorable experience for the whole family. Number 5. Tovla JR Kids Real Cooking and Baking Ultimate Gift Set. Looking for the perfect gift for your little chef? This comprehensive set has everything they need to start their culinary adventure. It includes kid-safe knives, an apron, timer, and all the essential tools for baking and cooking. They can truly create in the kitchen. This Montessori-inspired kit teaches valuable skills like fractions and independence through fun, visual recipes. It's education disguised as play. Crafted with premium, durable materials, this set is designed for real use and long-lasting family fun. Parents can feel confident in its quality. It promotes healthy eating and provides a wonderful opportunity for family bonding. Plus, the included storage case keeps everything neatly organized. This makes an ideal Christmas or birthday present for any child. Give the gift of creativity, learning, and delicious fun. What we like. This set is perfect for families who want to introduce their children to cooking in a structured, educational way. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that includes everything from safe knives to a visual guide for recipes, this is an excellent choice for fostering independence and STEM skills. What people say. The apron and chef hat are adjustable, fitting both my 5-year-old and 7-year-old perfectly. The utensils are child-sized and made of durable wood, making them easy for little hands to grip and use safely. It includes a rolling pin, whisk, spatula, and mixing spoons, all the essential tools for pretend play and actual baking. Number 4. SALUFO Montessori Kitchen Tools for Toddlers. Introducing a kitchen tool set designed with your child's safety as the top priority. Made from BPA-free plastic and natural wood, these tools are gentle yet effective for little hands. This comprehensive set includes everything your child needs to explore the kitchen. With safe knives, a crinkle cutter, and a peeler, it's perfect for developing essential skills. Watch your child's confidence grow as they safely participate in meal preparation. These tools encourage I-can-do-it-myself moments, bridging imaginative play with real-life skills. Built for endless kitchen adventures, these tools are shatter-resistant and simple to clean. The plastic items are even dishwasher-safe for your convenience. Looking for a creative, screen-free gift? This vibrant set is ideal for birthdays or holidays, offering a wonderful way for families to bond over culinary fun. What we like. For parents of younger toddlers just starting their culinary journey, this set is ideal. If your child is around 3 to 5 years old and you want a safe, easy-to-clean introduction to real food preparation, these tools will empower them to participate in meal prep and boost their confidence. What people say. The apron and chef hat are adjustable, fitting my 5-year-old perfectly. The utensils are child-sized and made of durable material, safe for little hands. It includes a rolling pin, whisk, spatula, and measuring cups, all functional for real cooking tasks. Number 3. Chanking 13 Pieces Kid Safe Knife Set. Introducing a complete 13-piece kid safe knife set designed for real cooking. It includes various tools like knives, a peeler, and cutting boards, perfect for little ones to explore the kitchen. These tools are specially designed with your child's safety in mind. They allow kids to practice cutting without any risk of injury, making kitchen time worry-free. Discover a unique and delicate design, including a charming wooden knife with fun patterns. The thoughtful construction ensures safety and encourages children to enjoy cooking. This fantastic set is perfect for pretend play and real cooking for ages 4 and up. It's an educational tool that sparks motivation and provides hours of entertainment. These versatile tools offer a wonderful opportunity for children to observe and mimic adults. It's a great way to enhance practical skills, strengthen family bonds, and learn about daily routines together. As Montessori toys, these kitchen tools help toddlers develop practical life skills. They encourage independence and hands-on learning in a safe and engaging way. What we like. If you're looking for a set that combines safety with a touch of fun and unique design, this is a great option. The charming crocodile pattern on the wooden knife will especially appeal to children who enjoy playful elements, making cooking a more engaging activity for kids aged 4 and up. What people say. The apron and chef hat are adjustable, fitting both my 4-year-old and 7-year-old comfortably. The utensils are child-sized and easy for little hands to grip. This set is fantastic for introducing kids to cooking. The rolling pin, whisk, and spatulas are real, functional tools, not just toys. My daughter loves using them to help me bake. The quality of the materials is surprisingly good. The apron is made of durable fabric, and the wooden spoon and rolling pin feel sturdy. It's a great way to encourage creativity and practical skills. Number 2. 40 PCS Kids Real Cooking Knife Set. Ignite your child's culinary passion with this comprehensive real cooking starter kit, designed for ages 3 and up. It's perfect for supervised kitchen fun and learning. This all-in-one set features child-safe knives, a wooden knife, fun food picks, sandwich cutters, and a recipe book. It also includes measuring tools, veggie cutters, and a cutting board for endless creative possibilities. Crafted from BPA-free plastic and wood, our tools have rounded tips and kid-friendly edges. The knives are designed for controlled cutting, ensuring a safe experience for your little ones during supervised cooking activities. Watch them easily slice fruits, vegetables, cheese, and soft bread. The crinkle cutter and mini cutters add an extra layer of fun, making meal prep exciting and encouraging picky eaters to try new foods. This set promotes independence, coordination, and confidence through hands-on cooking. It's a fantastic way to engage children aged 3 to 12 in practical life skills and kitchen activities. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe plastic tools. This thoughtful kids' chef set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays and holidays, providing hours of entertainment and skill building. What we like? This is the ultimate starter kit for any child eager to dive into cooking. If you want a vast array of tools, including fun cutters and measuring implements, along with a recipe book to guide them, this comprehensive set is perfect for supervised kitchen activities for ages 3 and up. What people say. The apron and chef hat are adjustable, fitting both my 4-year-old and 7-year-old perfectly. The utensils are child-sized and made of sturdy, food-grade plastic, safe for little hands. It includes a whisk, spatula, and mixing spoon, all designed for easy grip and use by children. Number 1. Baketivity Kids Cooking Set. Introducing the complete junior cooking set, designed for aspiring chefs of all ages. It's everything your child needs to start their culinary adventure. This all-inclusive set comes with a chef's hat, apron, masher, pizza cutter, knife, peeler, cutting board, tongs, utensils, and mixing bowls. Everything is conveniently designed for little hands. Designed with safety and ease in mind, these tools make cooking fun and accessible for children. They're perfect for both beginners and those already familiar with the kitchen. Made for real food, these utensils are safe for kids to use. The knife cuts soft foods easily, and all pieces have smooth edges to protect little hands. Crafted from non-toxic, food-grade materials, this set is built to last. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. This set includes a helpful guide to teach your child how to use each tool. It also features fun exercises to help them master essential cooking skills. What we like? For aspiring young chefs who love to bake, this set offers a practical and safe introduction. If you appreciate the convenience of collapsible storage and want a guide that teaches the function of each utensil, this is a fantastic choice for real cooking and baking experiences. What people say. The apron and chef hat are adjustable, fitting children of various sizes. The utensils are made of child-safe materials and are appropriately sized for little hands. The set includes a variety of tools like a whisk, spatula, and measuring cups, allowing for diverse cooking activities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.